Decided to clean out the fridge. I've done the doors. I have no idea of what that is. This shit. That there, those little holes are where, that's the Smarty graveyard. Yeah. These runners, that one there, I've actually cleaned them twice. Oh yeah, still grotty. I actually couldn't get the drawer out of there because it was stuck so hard. This stuff has, I've hit it with the Ajax twice. Tried to wipe it once. I have no idea. Ugh. Gross. So, hang on, wait a minute, I can do this better. How the hell does this shit not come off? Here, where did I put it? Here we go. This shit. What the fuck is this crap? I don't want to fucking know. It's like fucking honey or something. I don't keep honey in the fridge, so fucking. How is there so much dust inside a refrigerator? Okay, this shit ain't this shit ain't coming off. So I've got alcohol swabs. I didn't steal these from work. What? Anyways, where were we? Here we have alcohol swabs. Yay! What have we got here? What? Zoom in, you fuck. 70% alcohol. Motherfucker, I usually use two hands. Let's have a look. Oh, what? It's sticking? Oh. Ew. This is not working at all. Problem is, I don't know how to clean this shit. Nothing is getting it off. The dog is giving me this epic look because I'm talking to myself, clearly. Jasper! Yes, look at him! Jasper! I don't know if anyone saw that or not. I'm drinking beer because I've got to clear room out in the fridge. And I'm clearing, coming up a bit now. I've managed to get it. But oh, I just spewed in my mouth. Now, we don't have any bleach, which is really fucking odd. Fear ye not. I found something that'll clean anything. Oh, gin. What percentage is this? Let's have a look. What does that say? I can't bloody read that. It says 40%. There we go. I'll give it some gin. It's, ooh, I'm right in the fridge, by the way. I don't know if we need some proper ventilation. Oh. So the fridge is actually coming good, but since gin didn't do the trick, I figured what we can do is we can use Bacardi 151, which, if I'm not mistaken, I can set on fire. Put Bacardi on that, but I can't find a fucking light in this house anywhere. Hang on, I might be able to find one. Let's go for a look. Matt should have one. Matt, do you have any lighters? Fuck me. This is the most pathetic piece of shit in existence. Woo! Uh-oh. Yeah, fire brigade? Yeah, hi. My fridge is on fire. Yeah. Okay, we put that fire out. And hey, ironically, fucking clean, yes! Not perfectly, but you know, fuck that shit, I am done. In our fridge, that's fuck all, that's nothing. That's so fucking bullshit. What do we got here? Yeah, maybe. Let's see, what do we got here? Ooh, what's this? Oh, sun-dried tomatoes. Refrigerate after opening. Do we have a use by date? Ugh, they're gooey. Beef stock. Oh, that's 9th of December. That's still good. Oh, it's not even fucking open. Why is it even in the fridge? Dog food. Mussels. This is going to be a bad thing. What is this? What is this? September. Ah, okay, they're fine. Nah, I don't think we've got anything interesting. Oh, here we go, here we go. The dreaded label of what the hell is in this shit. We've got a similar one here that's teriyaki. And I think we got, oh yeah, it's not satay. There was another one. Oh. The other one's in the door. Yeah. So, smoky barbecue and plum. Although, I think we established that this is plum sauce, but who fuck knows? I'm not taking that test to find out. This is empty. I don't know why we got that.